today. So yesterday we had discussed the problem that is to find out truth value. ಹೌದಾ truth value find out ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ we had studied in the studies class. Truth table ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಓದಿದ್ವಿ last at the last some confusion happened with me. So again I'll start today. Truth table ಇಂದ start ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವತ್ತು. Okay. Just take the yesterday's problem only. Yesterday due to some shortage of time I was not able to solve the problem properly. Today I will solve the problem. Fine. Okay. Fine. See here, construct a truth table. Construct the truth table for the following proposition. Construct the truth table. First problem. I'll solve yesterday's problem only. I'll solve yesterday's problem only. I'll solve yesterday's problem. So take the first problem. P disjunction Q conjunction R. This was the problem yesterday. E problem noted now. Whoever has come now, please send a message in the chat box that you are present. Later I'll take the attendance. Whoever has come now, put a chat box message that I'm present. Okay. Okay. So yesterday I think we were solving this problem. I was not able to solve. Today we'll solve this problem. Fine. See here, I think this is correct. P disjunction Q conjunction R. P disjunction Q conjunction R. As we have here three propositions. One is P, one is Q, and another one is R. So I need to consider here three variable truth table. Three is the three variable. Two is the two variable truth table. So I'll consider here the three variable truth table. That is P, Q, R. I'll consider here three propositions. I'll consider here three propositions. One is P proposition, the other one is Q, and third one is R. Okay. Okay. I'll just write here combinations. First 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last is 7. Last is 7. Now we need to solve what? This is yesterday's problem only. This is yesterday's problem only. Okay. Now this is what? P, V andre no or disjunction. First P and Q. We need to consider P or Q. We need to consider P or Q. We need to consider P or Q. So first P, Q. What is P? 0. What is Q? It is 0. So 0, 0. What is 0, 0? 0 or 0? It is 0. Next 0, 0. It is 0. Next 0, 1. 0, 1. It is 1. Next 0, 1 is 1. 1, 0 is 1. 1, 0 is 1. And next 1 and 1. Whether this is correct? Yesterday I had problem with this. Whoever has come now, just present, just type present in the chat. Okay. I'll take attendance at the last. Fine. Present ಅಂತ type ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ chat ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay. Now we got here P disjunction Q. I got here P disjunction Q. So I want to solve now this. This is P disjunction Q conjunction R. What is the meaning of conjunction? It is nothing but AND operation. Conjunction is AND operation. So P disjunction Q. Where is P disjunction Q? It is here. Okay, P disjunction Q is here. Where is R? R is here. So these two ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇವೆರಡರದ್ದು? And operation, because here I have conjunction or cap. Here I have conjunction, or since here I have conjunction or a cap, I need to do what? I need to do what here? And operation. First 0 and 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. 1. Whether you are able to see this, this is 1 or last. So 0, 0 is 0, 1, 0 is 0, 0, 1 is 0, 1, 1 is 1, 0, 1 is 0, 1, 1 is 1, 0, 1 is 0, 1, 1 is 1. So this is how you need to solve here. Whenever they give a proposition and they ask us to solve the truth table, we need to solve this. This was yesterday's problem. Okay. If you are copying, you can copy it down. I'll go to the next. Shall I go to the next example? Ide for truth table. Raise your hand. Okay. Fine. Another one example. I'll just go. Same, construct the truth table, you know, but different question. That's it. What about others who are not raising hands? What about others who are not raising hands? Okay, we'll go to next problem. That is also construct truth table, reverse. Second problem. P disjunction, Q conjunction R. Second problem you copy it down. It is P disjunction, Q conjunction R. Okay. Now, first I will write the truth table. As here also we have 3 propositions. One is P proposition, Q and R. So I need to put here 3 variable truth table definitely. So first 3 P, Q, R. 3 variable truth table. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 1. Okay. Okay. Now first what I'll solve within the brackets. That is Q conjunction R. First I will solve Q conjunction R. Q conjunction R anta first solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Conjunction means what here? What is the meaning of a cap here? It is nothing but and. Q and R. This is Q column. This is R column. Okay. We have Q column and R column. 0 and 0. 0. 0, 1. 0. 1, 0. 0. 1, 1. 1. 0, 0. 0. 0, 1. 0. 1, 0. 0 and 1. Conjunction. Okay. Now, last P disjunction Q conjunction R. See here, I need to do here or operation or disjunction operation of Q conjunction R. Idanna with the P. So consider this column and this column. Consider first column and fourth column, that is Q conjunction R. For these two, what I need to do? I need to do the OR operation or I need to do the disjunction operation. Okay. Now I'll consider first column as this column. Just see 0 or 0, 0, 0 or 0, 0, 0 or 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1. See whether you have got the same result. Whether you have got the same result, just see here. How they have given the operation, use the logic and then solve the problem. And this they will be asking for 2 marks in the examination. So given a proposition P, proposition Q and proposition R, sometimes they will be asking us to write down the truth table. So you need to write the truth table according to the logical connective operations. If it is AND, do the AND operation. If it is OR, do the OR operation. If it is condition, do the condition operation. If it is exclusive disjunction, go for exclusive disjunction operation. So this is how we need to solve here. Followed everybody? Next problem I will go. Followed everybody? Okay, fine. I will go to next set of problem. Innone type. Idu truth table aitu. Innone thara yavadu kelbodu anta. Okay. Now consider here, they have given, this problem is little bit twist, okay, you need to concentrate here. They may ask a question like this also. They have given proposition Q, they have given proposition Q is equal to 1 anta kotar. They have given in the question only, okay, proposition Q is equal to 1 anta question age ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ. Next, what they have given, determine P. We need to find out what is P. We need to find out what is Q ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಅವರು. Q is 1. They have given. Concentrate on the question. Q they have given. We need to find out what is P. We need to find out what is R. We need to find out what is S. We need to find out what is P, we need to find out what is R, we need to find out what is S. But, see here, the original question is like this. Copy it correctly. If you are copying Q, condition of flower bracket, Q condition of flower bracket, small common bracket, negation P, negation P, disjunction R, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದ problem. I'll explain slowly, don't worry. Conjunction, negation S, flower bracket close, big bracket close. Big bracket, flower bracket is ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲದ, big bracket ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲದ. Okay, this still problem is there. See here. Condition of this is conjunction of flower bracket, negation S, condition of negation R, conjunction of Q is equal to 1 anta kottaru. I'll check the question first. If question itself is wrong, everything will be wrong. Condition P, disjunction R, again conjunction negative S, again cap S, condition negation R, which is equal to 1 anta kottaru. This is equal to 1 anta they have given. We need to find out what P. Such a big problem they have given. Definitely I'll explain slowly, don't worry. This problem ಈ ತರ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ನಮಗೆ. Now concentrate here. I'll explain the question first. Question ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ first question they have given, find out P, R and S. We need to find out what? Definitely truth values. True values ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Whether P is 1 or 0, whether R is 1 or 0, whether S is 1 or 0. We need to find out the truth value. But they have given some condition. Condition ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ? Q is equal to 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಅವರೇ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ. They have given Q is equal to 1 and they have given some problem. This AND gate, this is equal to 1. Andre ಏನು? If you consider this to be P, this is conjunction Q. P conjunction Q is equal to 1. ಈ ತರ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. Now, if you see this, lot of confusions will be there. I'll make you easy. We'll solve step by step. First, let me explain the brackets. I'll explain the brackets carefully. Understand. First, question what they have given. This is like Q condition anta kottara. Hauda? They have given Q condition. This is idena bedri. Just leave it for now. So this is of the form what? Q condition P form nagada or P condition Q. P condition Q form naga enada idu ಒಂದು set. First condition is what? This is like P condition. This is like complete. Idistu Q anta ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay. So this is like P condition Q. First, so they have covered it to be a big bracket. So brackets here of 3 types. One is big bracket, and second is flower bracket. Third is common bracket. In bracket, I think you have studied. There are 3 types here. One is big bracket. This bracket tells about only conditions. Idu Q. This complete is like PQ anta imagine ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ deep ಹೋಗೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. We'll come to flower brackets. Flower brackets. Now see here, what has covered in flower brackets? Something. This is like P. This is like P complete. And this is what? This is and. This is like Q. So P and or P conjunction Q. Flower bracket. So big bracket tells about conditions. Flower bracket tells about what? And operation. Now come to the small bracket, common bracket antive. What is there here? Something negation P, common. Idantra simple ada disjunction R. So first we need to solve what? Big bracket. First we need to solve big bracket, then come to flower bracket, then come to small bracket. Okay, I think you are getting. Now idistu result ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ AND ಮಾಡಿ. Here there is another set of problem. Same problem. Okay. Again, only 2 brackets are there here. One is flower bracket, another one is what for us? It is common bracket. Okay. So here, see here, flower bracket, negation S. Negation S ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? S ಏನಿರ್ತದ ಅದರ negation. S ನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, negation S ನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. So leave it now for now. So flower bracket, negation S. See here, condition. This is like P. This is like Q. So P condition Q thara ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ನಾವು. So this is negation is condition. This is Q. Again, in the common bracket, what I have? Simple R. This is AND gate Q. AND gate Q ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. So ಇವೆರಡೂ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, this is if you think this as P, if you think this as Q, P and Q ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು? ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ I need to get 1. How I got 1? ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಆಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಈ ತರ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು, Q ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇದ್ರ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. They may ask us to find P, R and S, or they may give P ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು P, Q, R, S ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇದ್ರ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ತರನು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Everybody at least followed question. Just raise your hand if you followed the question. Please concentrate, everybody. Okay, now I'll go simple steps. Now first I'll make you simple. It's too lengthy. Yes, it's lengthy. They may ask question like this also. We need to be prepared. No other way. It is one type of a problem, complicated problem. No doubt the simplification, if you know, it will be easy. I'll show you how to solve it easy. It is lengthy, yes. I only agree. But okay. But it is in our syllabus, no other option. Now, I'll start from question. So in question what they have given, Q is equal to 1 anta kottaru. I'll take first that only. Q is equal to 1. Q is equal to, just full ella arth agbekantiಲ್ಲ. At a time you will not follow anything. First ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ procedure ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಬರ್ರಿ. After this class, all classes, just go and glance once again. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ explain ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Even ನನಗಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಓದಿದ್ರು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. 2 to 3 times, 4 times, you need to glance it. Okay. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿನೇ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಓದ್ರಿ. Okay, later you study. Doubts ಇದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ರಿ. So it will take time, this type of problems. I am only telling. Okay. So Q is equal to 1. If Q is equal to 1, what will be negation Q? What will be negation Q? Definitely 0. At least this everybody know. If Q is equal to 1, negation Q is what? 0. Okay. Now, we know till here. Now, I'll solve this part first. First, I'll solve this part. I'll rub this for now. Okay. I'll solve only the first part. This I will rub. Okay. I'll solve only this part first. Okay. So, idu P anta tilkori. Complete P. Illeno next enittu Q is equal to 1 anta kottaru question. Okay. Leave about that. We'll concentrate about this. First, before I am telling, the whatever I have rubbed just now, okay. Illi whatever I have rubbed, think it is Q. I have rubbed no just now, think it is Q. Now what they have given, this is what I think AND gate. This is AND gate. So consider this to be P. This is Q is equal to 1 anta kottaru. This is of the form, original question. Original question is of this form. So what is this P condition Q is equal to 1? What is this condition? AND gate. AND gate means what? Both should be 1, then only this will be 1. As we know from our knowledge. I think you are getting. Slowly, ivattu onde heltini nanu, then I'll continue tomorrow. I'll not go in hurry. Okay, don't worry. Okay. So this is first time kottaru AND gate. AND gate andre ಏನು? ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದು 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೂ 1 ಇರಲೇಬೇಕಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ 1 ಇರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ? when this is also 1, Q ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದು Q ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ. So when these are 1 and 1, our result will be 1. So I'll rub for this now. So this is also 1. I think you are getting P. This P ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ Q ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ P Q ಎರಡು 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 1 ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅದ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಇವಾಗ? This is I think Q. This is Q. So ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ 1. Now I got here, see here. What is Q? Q is 1. Condition. This I'll write as it is. Negation P, disjunction R. ಈ ತರ 1 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Just I have replaced Q with 1. Give a thought to your mind. Give a thought to your mind. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅದ. Okay. Here I have 1. P condition Q it should be ಇದಿಷ್ಟು Q ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. This you think it as a Q. This should be equal to what? 1. How it is possible? When you should know the truth table. Here again, one condition 0 is what? Definitely 0. One condition 1 is what? 1. See here, one condition 0 is equal to 0. One condition 1 is equal to 1. From how? How you got math? From truth table. So definitely what should be Q? Q should be 1. Then only this result will be 1. So now this is also 1. This complete is also 1. ಈ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. Many of you will not get, I know, I am agreeing. Even I didn't get for the first time. So I'll take another class for this explanation. Don't worry, tomorrow's class. Fine. So this is what here. This is 1. ಇದನ್ನು ಏನದ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಸೇರಿ ಏನದ 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನಿ is equal to 1. Okay. ಆಯ್ತು, Q ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿತು. ನಾವು next what? This negation P, disjunction R, conjunction negative S should be what? 1. Should be 1. I need to know what is P, what is R, what is S. I need to know what is, nothing is present here. P I don't know, R I don't know, S I don't know, S I don't know. How I'll know? How I need to get to know now? There is a different method. Method means what? Here P I don't know, R I don't know, whereas S I don't know. To know this or to get this P, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, conjunction of ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. For today, just take till here. In the next class, I'll explain once again. I'll write it neatly. Okay. Till here, at least everybody followed. It's little confusing. Yes. 1 second. Be on the line. Second. Due to power, I'm getting little bit of problem. Okay. Somebody has sent me. It is bit confusing, I know, but still, I'll explain today half itself. Okay. I've explained only half. Just copy it down. Tomorrow again, I'll explain in detail. Okay. I'll just write. You copy it down. See whether you'll be able to follow that or no. Again, tomorrow I'll be explaining. Fine. See here the question. First Q anta kottare. I'll write here. 1 second, I'll remove the question. This is Q, condition, bracket, negation P, conjunction R, conjunction negative S, flower bracket, big bracket. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ? negation S, negation R is equal to 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. They have given this to be 1. So this P ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. This you consider it to be Q. This should be equal to what? 1. Okay, this should be equal to, wait a second. This should be equal to 1 here. So this is what here? It is conjunction. So both should be 1 and 1. Then only our result will be 1. Both should be 1 and 1. Then only our result will be 1 here. So definitely this complete, it is to complete 1 irbeku. 1 So our result will be 1. I think till here everybody follow. So what we got now? Q, condition of flower bracket, common bracket, negation P, disjunction R. Yes, flower bracket is equal to 1 and both are 1 1. I am writing separately. And negation is condition of negation R is equal to 1. Okay, is equal to 1. Whether it is visible, I just want to know whether it is visible. Whether it is visible, bold, raise your hands. Put cotton. If I put here, it will become dark. Now at least not visible. There is a problem with the power. Power is not there actually. Now you see. Not visible. Okay. At least copy the question. I'll just tell orally, just take down. Since here there is a, what is this? This is conjunction here. Both should be 1 and 1. Illi 1 idraste 1 irak sadhya. So this is 1. This complete P anta tagondre. This should be 1. This complete should be 1. So 1 and 1 is 1. So I have written separately just, okay. This is equal to 1 and this problem is equal to 1. So separately we will solve tomorrow again. So tomorrow again we will solve here. So Q they have given. Q enan kottara 1 anta kottar. So we know only Q. Other things we don't know. So Q condition matte condition apply madbeku. It is big. Okay. Tomorrow I will tell better since there is problem with the power. At least till here everybody followed. Till here everybody followed. Okay. Truth table everybody followed. Truth table. This problem matte naale helತೀನಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. Don't worry. If it's not possible to explain here, at least I'll make a record. One page ಅಲ್ಲಿ record ಮಾಡಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.